Let's set up E-goi with a domain hosted in HostGator. When we create an account in E-goi, we should set up the SPF, the DKIM, and the Cname to start sending email marketing campaigns. To start, we should go to our hosting services webpage, then introduce our details and click Login. Then we need to find our DNS zone editor, and we can see it just here. And there we have the page where we'll have all the records of our website and where we can add the new ones. Let's go now to our E-goi account and select the sender that we want to authenticate. So hit this top right menu and then click Senders. This is a page where we have all the senders of our account, and every time that we add a new one with a different domain, we will see it just right here. So I want half of these domains authenticated, and I have the other one that needs to be authenticated. And to start, just click Authenticate, then select I'll do it myself, and choose the hosting service that you are using. In this case, will be HostGator. Next. And here we have all the information that we need for the SPF and for the DKIM. Let's start with the SPF. For this one, we need to create a new record in HostGator, and for this particular case, we need to make sure that we don't have any other SPF record. So let's do a Command or Control F and search by SPF. In case that I have one SPF record, I only need to edit it by clicking its pencil. But I don't have any, so I need to create a new one. And this will be a TXT type record. And for the name, I'm going to copy this first value here using this icon and pasting here. For the TTL, I'm going to use the same that I have in the other records below. And for the TXT data, I'm going to copy the second value for the SPF. Paste and add record. Now we are going to add the record for our DKIM, and this will be as well a TXT record. And for the name, I'm going to copy this first value for the DKIM using the icon again, pasting here. The TTL will be the same, and the TXT data will be this second information here. Paste, and that's okay. Add record and go back to E-goi. Now we are going to advance here, and as we can see, these two records are not good to go. So we need to wait a little bit until this screen is green. This is a validation that can take up to 48 hours until it's done, and you will know that everything is okay when you see this information in green. Now we are going to set up the Cname, and for that I need to click in the bar of my domain and then add Cname. After that, select the Cname that you want. In this case will be this here, and generate configuration. Select I'll do it myself, and then the hosting service. Next, and here we have all the information that we need for the Cname. Let's go to HostGator again, and we need to add a Cname record for this case. Then we are going to copy this first value for the name. Okay. Here we have the value for the TTL that we used before. And for the Cname, I need this last value here. Paste, add record, and it's ready. Let's check if the configuration is okay. And we can see that this configuration is okay. This is a kind of record that can take as well 48 hours until it's done, and you will see this information in red in case that you have to wait a little bit more, or you will see it in green in case that it's okay, as you can see in this example here. Let's confirm. Once you have these 3 configurations done and validated, you will be able to send email campaigns in a professional way.